you know, just a quick video. Long time no Jeep talk. So, washer pumps. If one or both are not working, obviously you need to check if they have power, but I want to show you how to get to those. Now, obviously this is potentially lift dependent. In my case, I didn't need to take the tire off, but you may need to take the tire off. But you do not need to remove this lining like a lot of tutorials show. I have no problem getting at it by just pulling it back to here, and you can get right in. So, here's the part number if you want it. 8-695. They're both the same part number. You need this gasket. It'll come with a couple different styles, this one included. This is the one that you want to use. So I already did the top one, and here's what you're looking at. So you pull this back and they're right up there. So there's the top one already in. It's a connector, as you can see, connector and a rubber hose. So you pull that out, and then you literally just grab the pump and pull it out. There's nothing to unscrew, nothing at all. So that's really all there is to it. And here it is. I'll emphasize it again. So there's that's where your where the hose goes, and then this is where your connector goes. For the bottom one, I needed this adapter that comes with it. For the top one, it's a little bit different, and it just plugs right into this. So you just don't use this adapter. But that's all there is to it. It's really simple. So all you need to do is, if you've isolated that's your issue, you don't need to take you don't need to mess around with those plastic clips at all. Just get under there and pull that plastic back, and that's all.